This is my Mr. Cook knifeware set. I loved it, and I chose this one specifically because of the finish. It matches perfectly with my kitchen that has some wood accents, and I also wanted stainless steel as well. My husband loves this for cooking because it actually has a built-in sharpener, which is really nice to have, so they always stay nice and sharpened. We do hand wash them, or you can also rinse them off and put them in the dishwasher, but it does recommend to dry them as soon as possible, which we have not had any issues with rusting. The quality has been great. Yeah, I love that you have a variety. So you have a larger knife, this skinnier one, serrated, and then you have these for steaks, which is awesome. Our set, I believe, is a couple months old. We bought it in November, and it's May now. It's been working